What's going on, guys? Chillin'. This is 4K Tawheed. So I see that you guys are sending me all these messages regarding the Filmora videos, and I knew that that's going to be very useful because a lot of the Filmora users are not posting enough videos, and right now the market is asking for a lot of editing. You know, people are looking for budget friendly and easy editing worldwide. I'm gonna be posting a lot of unboxing video. You guys do know, if you've been watching my channel, that I'm kind of backdated. 1 terabyte 500 gigabytes backdated. Like, that's really terrible. Today we are unboxing OnePlus 8 Interstellar Glow coming up. For those who don't know, definitely like and subscribe. And before we begin, please click the bell button so you get notified. Alright, this is a channel where you get the tech reviews, life hacks, all the skills, sometimes job interviews, job related questions, lifestyle, reality, all of this thing all in one channel. Like, wow, definitely subscribe. And I got a lot of contents coming for you. I'm hoping you guys are all doing safe for the corona, but listen, we only have 3 more months or 2 more months left for the vaccine first stage to come in. I believe 3rd or 4th or maybe the 5th OnePlus. Alright, the previous OnePlus was the 7T, and I really like the OnePlus. This one is the OnePlus 8. You open it, you're gonna smell it. Look at that 8. Alright, here it is. You get this, and you got a note in the box. Receipts, barcode. I like the name. It's called Interstellar Glow. That's the funniest name right there. It's like from Christopher Nolan's movie. Nice rectangular looking box. RAM 12 gigabyte, guys. I got the 256 gigabyte ROM. That's pretty insane because the 128 one got sold out. Then they have Interstellar Glow, and they have the Qualcomm logo in it. So that's what's up. Matte finishing of the box. Look at that baby sitting right there. I'm gonna just go through this first. RAD charger. For some reason they make a big deal out of this warp or wrap, whatever you call. Warp fast charger with the OnePlus logo with the red on it. They always do this red because that's their main color. They don't want to make it green or anything. It's kind of heavy than unusual. So here it is. And look at the Interstellar Glow. You can see the color already. You got a fingerprint right there. It's like you never opened a phone before, you know. That's how it's kind of sounded like over here. Huge and heavy. Look at that. They call it Interstellar right there. That's Christopher Nolan, Inception and Interstellar right there. That thing is heavily glossy. I don't know why most of the people complain about the smudges and fingerprint. I mean, listen, if something is glossy, I rather like this rather than iPhone, because iPhone back is, you give expensive glass in it, but it's matte finishing because they don't want the fingerprint to go there. That's why they made it like a matte finishing, but that's so pointless, because why would you make something $500, $600 one glass on the iPhone matte finishing? You can't even tell that was a glass. It looks like a plastic, right? But this is a legit glass right there. That is a glass. I think that's the one they were saying, Gorilla. You drop one time, it's gonna be gone. Now, it is very comfortable to hold, okay? I do not care about the fingerprint and the smudges. The screen is huge, nicely curved, nice silver in the corner, antenna thing at the top, mute right there. Right, nice clicky feeling. Power button right there. You got the USB 5C. That's a speaker, and that's a SIM tray, and there's a mic hole right there in the corner. I don't know if you can see it. This side is clean, but I really like this whole thing that is a very solid, like, silver right there. It's almost like a Note. It's like a Galaxy Note almost. So let's say this is Pixel, right? That's a Pixel, and you'll see the review video very soon. And this is that. This is how much of a big difference of this thing is. Pixel is one-hand operation. OnePlus is 2-hand comfortable, or 1 hand. The lens, let's take a close look on the lens. You have 1, 2, 3 lens right there. You have dual flash, they were saying. I don't know if you can really tell. It is a dual flash. First thing first, hi there. You got a hole punch also. You got the hole punch instead of middle, the teardrop, they give you a hole punch. Terms and condition, you're just gonna press disagree. Of course, you cannot bypass. Weird question. User experience program. You're gonna send this to China. Let's do no thanks. Connect to the network. And there's no SIM card in it, right? Bypass that. Checking for update. So many questions. Ask you like 10 questions. Next gesture and start, and here we go. Boom. That thing looks so fluid. You can make a 90 hertz if you like. Look at that. Holding the phone like this, it does kind of feel comfortable in holding it. And if you go to the back, yeah, there's a little struggle by putting the finger all the way at the back. The back button is at the bottom. That is the best part. That is definitely comfortable. I know the camera's not gonna be that good. Alright guys, so that's all for today. And that was the review for OnePlus 8 Interstellar Glow 256GB. This thing is an absolute beast. It can hold a lot of things. Definitely recommend that to you guys. You can definitely buy this. This thing can run the Google OS really smoothly, even in that's not the pure Google. For many years they had these great reviews of this OS running and the smoothness on it. This thing's just getting better and better. Yes, price is kind of high on that. The quality wise, if you take a look, like the way they build this thing, I don't think anybody gonna ever spend $1,000, $2,000 for iPhone. My thing is I rather use the pure Google rather than a secondary Google, because again, the headquarters for this thing is in China. So the whole OnePlus, Oxygen, whatever you have on your phone, they can see the same thing as well. You have to kind of watch out on that part. This thing is basically a brother and sister of Oppo, Huawei, and all of them. That's their cousins. You know, if TikTok can get banned, then you know what I mean. So I rather that's the only one reason I got this one. This is I know it's plastic, it's not an Interstellar Glow, but listen, it's pure Google. But again, you know, Google is still not fully trusted because they ask you a lot of questions as well. This is OnePlus 8 2020, OnePlus 8T coming in 1 week. Alright, this is 4K Tawheed. Definitely like and subscribe. Check out my social media. We'll follow up with you in the next episode. Stay safe. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace. Take a look. We're testing the first 0.6 zoom, 0.6 zoom, 1x zoom, 1x zoom. How does the camera sound? 1x zoom, and then the 2x zoom, 2x zoom. How does the stabilization and the motion look like? How does the highway and the road sound like? Here's the motion. This time with a super stable on. Super stable on. I'm shaking and I'm walking. I'm about to start walking. How does the grid that I'm about to touch the bottom, how does the grid looks like? Super stabilization. We got total 3 lens and it looks really nice. Well, how does the front face look like? Front face look like no screen protector. Front face look like this. And here's the fake stabilization or software stabilization. It looks decent.